What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. So today, pulling back a little bit here on the overall markets, a lot of stocks kind of going sideways, chopping around. What we're looking at here is the S&P 500 down 1.21%, $4.86 on the day. And we are trading at $397.47. One thing that I do kind of want you guys to kind of look at here, we did get rejected today off the open, off that 200 EMA. This was almost a perfect short position for you guys to kind of take. I know some of you guys did take this off that rejection intraday here. And then as we've been pulling back on the daily candle here, we did just lose the 5-day moving average and are currently working on losing this 10-day moving average. So where do we go from here? What's the best way to potentially make some money on a short position here on SPY? If we do close below the 10-day moving average and you're not looking to jump into a trade today, what you want to do is take today's lows and you want to wait for the confirmation if it happens, and you want to get short off losing today's lows. You've got a lot of room down, all the way down to around $392, which is going to be your next demand zone at the 150 simple moving average. Now, if you're looking to take this kind of on an intraday short scalp position, what you're looking at here is a little bit of demand zone that we've got here at this 1 hour 200 as well as 150 day demand zone. So we do got a Bollinger Band here, as well as that 397. We've got that 200 EMA here. So as we're coming down here, if you are a scalper, keep this in mind. You can play this one of two ways. If you are a scalper, you can get short and you can use this hour's high wick as your absolute max pain. So if we do decide to bounce and we take that out, you exit the trade as long as we stay below this demand zone. Look at the previous hour's candle here. Look at that low. Look at how we're starting to confirm it. Yes, we do have a little bit of support here. We do got room down to around 397.30, and then we got room to around 397. Your macro trade is going to be below 397, okay? If the SPY does push down today, and let's say we consolidate sideways, if tomorrow, which tomorrow is going to be the 29th of November, if we do lose 397, that is your short position. Your next support is sitting at around 395. That's going to be a fantastic trade. I'm not saying you're going to catch the whole $2 move, but what I'm saying is that if you can get that confirmation below 397, you're going to want to take that short position, take it for a little ride, and make sure you cash out. Now, to the long side, we're going to have to hold this whole kind of demand zone here. We're going to need to make a push higher. Before I even think about getting long, what I'm going to need to see is this hour candle to close, and I'm going to need to see the next hour's candle to get over 398. Over 398, we have room to around 398.55, so it's not too much room. It's only about 50 cents. Again, I would recommend to stay away for newer traders, only experienced scalpers only. But for me, on the S&P 500, we really don't look good long until we get over 399.50 and 425 cents. So over 425 cents does have room back to 401.30. That's been that troublesome spot that we've had here. Tried to act as a little bit of support here before we gap down today. And then your clear move is still going to be over 401.85. That 402 level can test those recent highs here of 403.50, and your 403.50 is your macro break. That is going to be the clear break into that 408, 409. Okay, so if you kind of just want to hang tight, you don't really want to do too much, you don't really like the choppiness moves, and you're not comfortable with scalping, and you want to go long, you've got two long entries, over 401.83 and over this consolidation here of around 403.50. Those two entries, I would take those into that 408 zone. Again, take profits on the way. If you kind of want to sit back and wait for a bigger move on the flush, being that we have been selling off today, what you're going to want to wait is for that 397 breakdown. As soon as we lose 397 breakdown, just understand that our next support is around 395. I hope these levels help. I hope you guys can be profitable. If you guys are and they do come into play, make sure to come back here and comment. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all in the next video.